Most beginners think the hardest part is making a Fiverr account. But here's the truth no one tells you. On Fiverr in 2026, the hardest part is getting your first client to trust you. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is creating a gig and waiting for buyers without building visibility or trust signals. In this video, you will learn exactly how to get your first Fiverr client in 2026, even if you are a complete beginner with 0 reviews. Let's start with the reality. Fiverr is a search-based platform. A buyer types something like logo design or video editing, and Fiverr shows gigs based on relevance and performance. A beginner like Alex creates a gig, but with no reviews and low optimization, it gets buried. Now here's where it gets interesting. Fiverr does not reward effort. It rewards early engagement signals like clicks, saves, and orders. But here's the problem most beginners face. They build a gig, do nothing else, and expect traffic. That almost never works in 2026. So let's fix that step by step. First, choose a very specific service. Not graphic design, but something focused like minimal YouTube thumbnails for gaming channels. A freelancer like Jake who picks a niche gets faster visibility than someone who stays general. Second, optimize your gig title and description for real searches. Think like a buyer. If someone needs your service, what would they type? Third, use a strong thumbnail. Fiverr is visual. If your gig does not stand out in 2 seconds, people scroll past it. Now, let's talk about the most important part. Your first client will not come from luck. It comes from external traffic plus Fiverr search signals. That means sharing your gig link in relevant places, social platforms, or communities where your target audience exists. In a minute, here is the key strategy most beginners ignore. Fiverr pushes gigs that get early clicks, even if they are new. That means your first 10 to 20 interactions matter more than anything else. Fourth, start with competitive pricing. You are not trying to maximize profit at the beginning. You are trying to get your first review. A freelancer like John who prices low initially often gets traction faster than someone trying to charge premium rates too early. Fifth, respond fast to messages. Fiverr tracks response time. Fast replies build trust and improve ranking signals. Once you get your first client, over-deliver slightly. Not by doing extra work for free, but by improving communication, delivery speed, and clarity. That leads to better reviews, and reviews lead to more clients. So what is the real secret? Getting your first Fiverr client is not about waiting. It is about optimizing your gig, creating early visibility, and triggering Fiverr's ranking signals through real engagement. To summarize, pick a niche service, optimize your gig, drive early attention, price strategically, and focus on fast communication. That is how beginners get their first client in 2026. If this helped you understand how to get started on Fiverr, like the video, comment your service idea, and subscribe for more freelancing guides that actually help you earn online.